anger in the streets of La Paz. Indigenous protesters clashing with police, throwing whatever they could at the line of the law. The law responding with water cannons and tear gas. These protesters have been camped out in a La Paz plaza, demonstrating against a controversial Amazon highway project that could cut through land that's part of the Tipnis, or Isaburo Secure Territory and National Park. The indigenous demonstrators marched more than 350 miles to La Paz over the last 2 months from the eastern Amazonian lowlands to have their voices heard against the highway project. The government, though, has said it has secured approval from indigenous officials to move ahead with a referendum on whether to build the roadway on July 29. This is the second time that President Evo Morales has tried to push this highway project through. Many indigenous feel he is betraying them and their land in the interest of big business.
That's our story. Thanks for watching. We cover stories about fashion, lifestyle, culture, and travel throughout Latin America. Do take a moment to become a fan of our Facebook site and follow my travels throughout Latin America on Twitter. From Bogota, I'm Brian Anderson.